Nothing in this video is over $25. These are my secrets, and when I say these are game changers, I do not take that lightly. Everything I recommend to you are the same things I would recommend to my family and friends. So when I say to get it, it actually works. Here's 5 ways to clean tough messes like a pro and on a budget. First, I want to talk about cleaning light fixtures. I'd love to know in the comments what type of light fixtures you have at your home. These are one of the toughest and annoying items to clean. And paying a professional costs a lot of money. Instead, use Brilliante Cleaner. Spray and let it drip the dust off the fixtures. This is environmentally friendly, aroma-free, hyperallergenic, and works on most surfaces. Spray the item and you don't have to buff it in because it'll dry clear. If you are someone that struggles to clean light fixtures or they look foggy after you clean them, it even works on the really tough ones. Do 2 to 3 heavy coats of spray. Make sure the fixture is turned off and very well coated. Put a drop cloth underneath to catch all the drops of dust. Get off as much dry dust as you can with a duster. This is a great job. It does a great job giving it a shine. Easy, save time, and don't have to spend a lot. From ceilings to floors, I have to mention these squeegee brooms. You can use this on hardwood floors as well as carpets. Pet hair is a tough mess to clean, especially with a normal broom. In this video, I want everything to be affordable and work. This broom is easy on your back. Cleaning vintage wood can be a challenge, so my 2 favorite products are Parker & Bailey's Lemon Oil Polish, as well as Silver Cleaning Wipes. These are game changers. Lemon Oil Polish is an eco-friendly alternative. It works better than any spray you can buy. This rubs on so smoothly. It is absolutely amazing. This is great for anything mahogany or wood. This brings luster and shine back. The company has been around for over 100 years. It provides help for furniture that lost its oils and dusts at the same time. It's really a 2-for-1. And when it comes to polishing things up, I love the Silver Polishing Wipes. It's like the lemon oil for silver and brass. They're awesome on gold, brass, and silver. It works great on picture frames and jewelry. These wipes clean up really fast. These 2 cleaners are so good. I really hope you try some of these products. Now I want to talk to you about walls. Previously, I have used Zep Spray Clean to clean my wall. What I don't like about it is it's not eco-friendly. It does have a very strong smell. I recently found a wall cleaner that is under $25 in a spray bottle that smells absolutely awesome and is eco-friendly. And once more, it works. Once you get it on the wall, it smells really good, and it takes a lot off. It smells like fresh laundry. I combined this with a wall cleaning mop. This one is awesome. This one just cost $16 at the time of filming. You could just use a rag, but this gives you more reach. This is super good product. Space that is cluttered. I will tell you this. You can just clean and declutter the space, and you're 90% of the way there. To clean will make it new. Hopefully this video like this are helpful. Things just might need a little love in your house. It'll feel brand new. I want to talk about outside. Do you have something that is vinyl, plastic, or stone that's oxidized, faded? Maybe it has some sun damage or water damage or really dull. This Restore Wipes, you go over it once in one swipe and it will restore it to look new again. This is also great for lamps. This comes in a spray or wipe. There are so many things these wipes can do, including front doors. The very man who has argued you down will sometimes be found years later to have been influenced by what you said. C.S. Lewis. I'll see you soon.